Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make chicken leek and mushroom pie. The pastry is flaky, and the filling is creamy and flavorful. Let's make the flaky pastry first. I will use all-purpose flour, a little salt. Sift the flour and salt together. Transfer the flour to the food blender. Add some cold unsalted butter. They are fine crumbs now, and transfer them to a mixing bowl. Let's make the mixture. Get an egg. Then add some cold water until the weight is 100 grams. Give a good whisk. Mix to soft paste with this mixture. Cover the dough with a piece of cling film, then store it in the fridge for an hour. This is how I make chicken broth at home. You can also use any market brand chicken broth. First, parboiling the chicken to remove impurities. Then drain the water, refill with fresh water, covering the chicken. Then add ginger, peppercorn, celery salt. Bring to boil, then simmer for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, the chicken broth is ready. I will remove skin and bones to get dark chicken meat. To make the pie filling, I need 200 ml chicken broth. I prefer dark meat. You can also use chicken breast. It's time to make the pie filling. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to the saucepan. Then stir-fry the finely chopped leek at medium heat. After 5 minutes, when the texture is soft, turn off the heat and transfer it to the bowl. Melt some butter, then add the garlic. Stir for 20 seconds. Add some baby bella mushrooms. For a better flavor, I also add Shiitake mushrooms. After 5 minutes, when the mushrooms are soft and moist, it's time to add the leek we cooked before. Then add the chicken. For seasoning, I add some salt, black pepper, a little oregano, some chicken broth we made before, some heavy cream. Add the cornstarch and water mixture, then stir until it boils and thickens, then turn off the heat. The filling is ready. Let's assemble the pie. The dough is ready. Break off 1/3 for the lid, and the rest will be the bottom. Roll out the pastry to 3 mm thickness. For my recipe, I use 9-inch diameter pie dish. The bottom of the pastry is ready. Adjust the pastry to fit the pie dish. Then break the bottom with a fork. It's time to preheat the oven at 375. Add the filling to the pie dish. Do the same to the dough of the lid. Roll out the dough to 3 mm thickness. Then cover with the lid. Press edges well together to seal. Trim off the extra piece. This is how I crimp the pie. Brush some egg wash. Stick to make some pie vents. Bake the pie for 30 to 35 minutes until you see the golden crust. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients, so this pie cost me $13.15. I'm going to enjoy this creamy chicken leek mushroom pie. Thanks for watching my video.